Okay, my name's Steve Mackay. I'm doing a presentation on a concept of PID tuning, practical essentials from EIT. So just a quick overview of what we're talking about. The concept is pretty straightforward. It revolves around a controller, loop controllers we've got here. Here's our controller block, and here's our process. And the idea is that you've got an output from your controller, which does the necessary good things in terms of control. It could be a valve control. You then get feedback coming back this way, which is your process variable. It could be temperature, pressure, whatever. You have a set point from the controller, and you get an error developing, which you feed back into your controller. The controller then makes a decision based on that error. And you have three forms of control: P, I, and D. Proportional, integral, and derivative. So the idea is to select them so you get a good response. And the response is based around a few things. Essentially, if this is your set point change here, this is your process variable response when you've made your set point change. The idea is to try and keep this area as small as possible. That's the first objective of tuning. The second objective is minimize the amplitude of the error squared, which is essentially the same as the first one. Minimize wear and tear. For example, you don't want your output of your controller to go up and down and damage the valve. The other objective may be that you don't want any overshoot at startup. For example, you're controlling a critical process. You want a very slow output. You don't want a quick response. And the other thing is, which I always call it as know thy process, make sure you minimize the effect of known disturbances. So those are the five main issues that you want to do with tuning. And as I said, it all comes back to that process diagram, which is a feedback diagram. So that's all from me, Steve Mackay at EIT, Engineering Institute of Technology and IDC Technologies. Any other information, please go to the site. Thank you very much.